Imagine building IT services that deliver exactly what your customers want, reduce complexity and drive innovation, all while positioning yourself as an indispensable IT leader. That's what mastering the ITIL 4 Guiding Principles and Value Focus will do for your career. If you're serious about leading in information systems, go ahead. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates and colleagues. Your future self will thank you. Let's get started on a journey that could redefine the way you think about IT service management. In ITIL 4, everything starts and ends with value. Value is not something that the service provider simply delivers. It's co-created through a partnership between the provider and the customer. It's about achieving outcomes that customers care about while managing costs and risks they would rather avoid. Remember, value is defined as the perceived benefits, usefulness and importance of something, and it's always determined by the customer. Your role in ITSM is to ensure the services you design and deliver are truly valuable to the people and organizations you serve. And to do that, two elements must be in place. Utility. Does the service do what it's supposed to do? Warranty. Is the service reliable, available, and secure enough to meet expectations? Utility plus warranty equals sign value. No matter how flashy a service appears, if it's missing either functionality or reliability, it fails to create real value. To keep ITSM activities always focused on value, ITIL 4 introduces 7 guiding principles. 1. Focus on value. 2. Start where you are. 3. Progress iteratively with feedback. 4. Collaborate and promote visibility. 5. Think and work holistically. 6. Keep it simple and practical. 7. Optimize and automate. These are not rules. They are recommendations that apply everywhere, all the time. They are your compass for navigating decision-making, service design, and continual improvement. Let's dive into each one. Every action, every project, every initiative must be tied to creating value for someone. You must clearly understand your stakeholders, customers, users, sponsors, and what they truly value. Focus not just on technical performance, but on real-world outcomes and user experiences. Before starting any initiative, ask, who are the stakeholders? What outcomes do they care about? How will this create value for them? If you can't answer these questions clearly, stop and refocus. This principle is your North Star. Don't discard what works. Before building something new, evaluate the current state. What processes, tools, knowledge, or successes can you leverage? Blindly starting from scratch wastes time, money, and valuable lessons learned. Always analyze first. What strengths do we already have? What data can inform our next steps? What should be preserved to avoid unnecessary disruption? Leverage what's working and then build on it. Trying to fix everything at once leads to frustration and failure. Instead, break work into small, manageable chunks. After each piece, seek feedback from users, from team members, from data, and adapt before moving forward. Iterative progress means you deliver value sooner, catch mistakes early, stay aligned with evolving stakeholder needs. Think big, start small, learn and adjust as you go. No one succeeds in a vacuum. You must involve the right people at the right times and make your work visible. Collaboration brings broader knowledge, stronger buy-in, and better outcomes. Visibility ensures that stakeholders understand what's happening, trust the process, and can provide meaningful input. Ask yourself, are we involving all key stakeholders? Are our processes and decisions transparent? Can everyone see progress, challenges, and results? Collaboration plus visibility equals momentum. Nothing in ITSM stands alone. Every service, every process, every decision touches multiple parts of the organization. Always consider people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, value streams and processes. Systems thinking is critical. When you solve problems, design solutions, or make changes, think end-to-end. How does this impact the larger ecosystem? What ripple effects could occur? Holistic thinking prevents solving one problem while creating 3 new ones. Complexity is the enemy of efficiency. Always ask, is this necessary? Does it add value? Eliminate waste? Design processes, workflows, and solutions that are easy to understand, easy to execute, and easy to maintain. Simplicity doesn't mean cutting corners. It means focusing relentlessly on what's truly important, stripping away what isn't. In ITSM, the simplest solution that effectively meets the need is almost always the best one. First, optimize. Make sure the process or service is as effective and efficient as possible. Then automate. Use technology to eliminate repetitive, low-value tasks. Automation enhances consistency, reduces errors, and frees human talent for high-value activities. But remember, never automate a broken or inefficient process. Always optimize first, then automate smartly. Keep human oversight where judgment, creativity, or empathy add value. Optimization and automation are essential tools for scaling and sustaining excellence. The real power of ITIL4 lies in applying these principles together. They reinforce each other. They guide you to build services that are resilient, adaptive, and relentlessly focused on value. For every decision you make, for every project you lead, use the principles as a checklist. Are we focused on value? Are we leveraging what we already have? Are we progressing in small, feedback-driven steps? Are we collaborating and promoting visibility? Are we thinking holistically about impacts? Are we keeping solutions simple and practical? Are we optimizing and smartly automating processes? If you can answer yes to these questions, you're on the right track to becoming a transformational IT leader. The ITIL4, Guiding Principles and the Focus on Value, are not just exam topics. They are mindsets for leadership, innovation, and career growth. They are your toolkit for building better services, stronger organizations, and a better future for yourself and those you serve. If this session helped you rethink ITSM in a deeper, more strategic way, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others ready to elevate their impact in information systems. Together, let's build a future where technology doesn't just work, it creates real, lasting value. Thank you for being part of this journey. See you in the next module.